Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack on the highlights this week. Nothing much actually happened on the Senzo Meyiwa trial this week, except for yesterday. Abona yesterday on Friday, on the 20th. I took other directions, guys, with the operator, Dr. Ronnie Sibanda. Guys, I was shook by that. Umnis was like, no, I'm not going on. With this guy being the operator. After what I've just seen now and witnessed, umuntu busy manipulating evidence. My lord, it's fine. As long as this guy is still gonna be the operator. Oh, busy operator. Guys. I was so shocked. I was just like, yo, usneaky baloyi. And mina ngangimbiza usneaky baloyi, ubaloyi. Manje sefake nalengane yakhe sengizoyibiza Shady and Sneaky Baloyi, Kopololo, cooking, manufacturing, eguningi. Okwathi umnisi you fabricated eshokugininda. Hey maningi lamagama, guys. I was just like, yo, uzubizwa ngamagama maningi kangaka, guys. And another thing that I'm noticing, that I've noticed actually, and I've actually been vocal about it quite a few times. Have you noticed ukuthi state bakabasibuza umshololo wambuza ugininda wathi uyabazi kaMeyiwa ukuba Lord, because this is about Gininda now, guys. It's about the state basically. We forgot completely about the Meyiwas, except for me, obviously. Abakhaya bamngengise ngikwazi, guys. Ukumkhohlwa uma kasenze Meyiwa khona mesekhala esithi thina say yini engake sayenza. Angimkhohlwa, I remember every day. Baqalile, guys, abantu be-construction abangibhori. Oh my gosh. And manje we are just fighting for the manda ukuthi abuthole ubulungiswa lo mama, because akadeserve lento. Umntana akadeserve. Umuntu like I've always said ukuthi he came here in Johannesburg just as much as abanye bethi ayisifebe oqala. But he came to work here. So I was still saying, guys, ukuthi laphana manje sekudlala ama-egos. Uratha nafanele abonakale adume just as much as ezobethi mina ngifuna ngibafuni kabi nje abantu be-social media inini. Usho thina at that time. But if you've noticed, especially most of us, we haven't made this, whatever is happening in courts and in Senzo Meyiwa's trial about us. This is not about me, guys. I've never made it about me. It's just ukuthi makasenzo Meyiwa ngathina angabuthola ubulungiswa kakhulu. Because the father didn't. Wahamba ekhala, and the way he was so hopeful, guys, ukuthi he will get justice. And you know why you look at that, ukuthi he was hopeful ukuthi he will get justice. Angithi wayefila ukuthi umntana wami uyaziwa, uyi-soccer player. He was a captain, he was a well-known soccer player. He was going to get justice. So njama egos, guys, lapana, they are just too much with the state going on with their lives. They just like, we're not giving up. So manga until the end of time. Yeah, so nje guys, ngizoke ngime lapho kancane ngendaba yokuthi it's about egos now. IKCA state abanendaba about the Meyiwas nothing. They don't contact them. They don't ask them anything. It's about them manje. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. And uSifiso Meyiwa has told us so many times to akamfuni ngabe uGininda. At first he believed in him. He doesn't believe in that guy anymore. Ngoba wabajikela. Wow, he became another person. When he took up the case, they thought he was going to help them. Like this week, I was wrong for nothing much happened. At least this week we did win a bit around indaba ye-gold tooth. Nokuthi sikwazi ukuthi sihambe iyo-check-wa i-gold tooth ukuthi sake saba nayo na or gold teeth. So you see ukuthi why uSibanda ekwazi ukumanipulate izinto enza ubuqhophololo lapha ngey'thombe and be busy editing there in the system, like how Mnusi will put it. Wenziwa uRatha. Yakhumbula ehleba noRatha this week. Ethi uRatha uyamkhumbula lo munye wayeni ene-gold tooth. At the time basho ubhuti ka-accused number 3. Kungenaphi guys lokho? And uzuyasho umnisi ukuthi that's the brother, like why are we even talking about the brother? Is the brother here? Like sikhuluma ngo-accused number 3 la so uMthobisi Mncube. What are you even on about? As umnisi is going to speak to accused number 3, ubhizi uRatha, so uyakhumbula ukhuluma noSibanda. That's why umbona uSibanda so. uRatha is the one omenzile waba kanje uSibanda. A whole doctor. seyifundisa amanga emncane kangaka uSibanda. Uyosefika kubaloyi uzobe enzani? You will be doing worse things phela by that time. Ngoba he's learning uyancela from babakhe uGeorge Baloyi. Did you notice ukuthi uRantu Mabasa has changed manje usethi according to Brigadier Gininde mangabe umnisi embuza ngethombe uthi ama-selfie inini explainele lapha athi according to Brigadier Gininde. Is there anything like that, Mark, guys? And then you ask yourself ukuthi where does Mabasa hang around, guys, if ezobe ethi not everything that glitters is gold. When umnisi told him, I have never heard of such. Tabanga, guys, I'm just like, who have you been? Oh, I did guy. And you can just see Gutubalo is kicking himself. It's just like, what? Who is this guy? Like at the back of his mind. I thought I was gonna win. But I like the fact that we actually, in a way, won this week. Omnisi did so well, guys, this week. And like I'm saying, it's engarasi. Urase at the end is Sebonalo. At the end of the cross-examination, is Sebonalo Babalo about to talk hotel. Udokotela was doing things there. Oh, what was that all about? And it's hard because he keeps on saying, according to Brigadier Gininde, I'm on notice like, yo, I'm involved in driving cars. This thing is exhausting. If you Puma, Mabasa is removing himself from this thing slowly. Bese kuba uJudge Ratha. uJudge Ratha will never repent. Abolento yokuthi athi ene umfowabo accused number 3 must come. Ikhona into enjalo, guys. Bringing someone else busy Hleba on the side. What is that to Hleba not Dr. Sibanda? Yinje yona leyo, guys. That's just so wrong, guys. You must just comment to Nizule inland. It's just like this thing is so wrong in so many ways. A whole judge, my God, judge on the side, liberty, umnisi mangabe ekhala umnisi kanento ukuthi hayi mina ngisaqhubeki nanglo ufuna ukuba i-operator engekho right life in operator khona. I'm not continuing. URatha asho izinto, you were saying some size on the side and the mic was on. Uyazwakala uRatha it's yazi, you know, esho izinto. I don't know if you guys heard him. Guys, yabona lento le kaSibanda deseyenza ecourt manipulating pictures. Lalelo wayekopela nasesikoleni uSibanda nale doctorate uyithola ngokopela akasekho nje right in my mind. I can't. I see right through him uSibanda uthanda ama shortcuts. Hi guys, ukuza kwaMabasa has actually exposed the state in another way you've never seen in a long time in court. What is happening there at that court now? Sekubuqhophololo nobugebengu manje obu like sekuwes manje. This is why you'll find comments in my comments uthi umuntu ene where are the politicians mase kunje bathule bathini ukubona leyo nto. My beautiful subs nina nthini nendaba kaSibanda. Kukhona a few that actually commented ukuthi uSibanda kaboshwe. I was just like, what are you guys saying? Please let me know. Guys, I just feel like any state must just give it up now. They want to win this case at all costs. Ayikho abantu abangayenzile guys. Sekwashona ngisho abantu phela the case. Bangakanani abantu usevela athi umshololo is the person deceased. Ngoba asazi. Uyayibona lento leyo. A lot has happened in this case. Crazy things. Soke sime kancane but indaba kaSibanda kuyibonile ukuthi uSibanda is committing crime emini kaBha, guys. Asimeni lapho kancane, guys. Thank you so much for loving me and loving this channel and supporting me. Ngithanda over, guys. Thank you.